Hi, I'm Jessica Moser, Senior Manager of Strategic Procurement at QAD, and we're really excited to talk through our journey, how we've learned how to work together, and how Zylo has helped us on that journey.
Okay, so what we experienced pre-Zylo was, I don't think it's unfair to call it a bit of chaos, but we definitely had a fragmented contract management process. I often called it a Hansel and Gretel exercise of finding the contract or determining who had the latest and greatest contract. So we definitely had that uh, issue to deal with. We also had siloed and inaccurate information. That was a consistent problem with disconnected processes between IT, procurement, and finance. And one thing we didn't know we had a problem with, and something that it was exposed once we got Zylo, is we had very limited or no application utilization statistics. So quite often we had to rely on users to tell us their what was ultimately their subjective view on application usage. And then finally, surprise renewals. This was particularly true of renewals that were not super material. Generally things under 50K. They would often get overlooked. Oftentimes, they may have been identified too late in the process to be canceled. I went through many situations where we literally had to eat the renewal because we were past the contractual cancel period. So these were some of the things we were dealing with pre-Zylo, and one of the reasons that we looked at them. So Zylo was really a catalyst for us to work together. This is where we wanted to start to collaborate with our finance team members, our procurement team members, and IT. So we all worked together, and Zylo really brought that platform to us that we could, provide something for each stakeholder in the procurement process, in the renewal process, and that was really the key, I think, for Zylo, and how it really brought that single source of truth for us to work together.
Since this is our first year using Zylo, we've just entered our second year using Zylo. We were able to achieve a heavy amount of savings. In our first year, we had 85K year-over-year savings and 200K in value add savings. That was a huge win for us. We also really appreciated that Zylo and team recognized that the way that we classify savings was using a specific methodology, and they really aligned to those goals, which we really appreciated, and our executive leadership team really appreciated too, just their variability and molding to where we needed to be. So those are huge wins. We have a lot of better visibility into the data, which has been really awesome. Like Jim mentioned, we have all the contracts in one place, which is really great. We can see expiring contracts. Our Zylo team make sure every year that we're looking far enough ahead so that we don't miss any of those renewals.